Good students, today we will study about difference between sound and light. What is sound and what is light? Here you know that sound is a form of energy and light is also a form of energy. Here sound is a form of energy. It is form of energy and light is also a form of, it is also the form of an energy, form of an energy. Okay, student? An energy. Sound is a mechanical wave and light is not a mechanical wave. It is mechanical wave. It is not a mechanical wave. Okay, student? It is a longitudinal wave. It is longitudinal. It is a longitudinal wave and it is transverse wave. It is a wave. What is longitudinal wave? Which wave move in the or which wave travel in a direction of the medium is called longitudinal wave, and transversal wave which move forward, up and down the medium of the medium. Here its motion is direction of medium. This type of shape, the wave move forward in the direction of medium. This move in the direction of medium compress rare, compress rare, compress rare. Here this shape is compress and rare compress, rare compress, rare compress, these types of motion. Spring motion as spring motion, spring motion. But it is transversal wave. Transversal wave move up and down. Its motion is in this type, up and down or perpendicular up and down, up medium, medium, direction of medium, up down, up down, down motion, which is perpendicular motion, perpendicular up and down, up and down. It forward, up and down toward the medium direction. But this is completely move in the direction of medium as compress rare or compression rare fraction, compression rare fraction. These types of motions of longitudinal wave and these types of motion of transversal wave. Okay, student, here the speed of sound in air, speed of sound, speed of sound in air 340 meter per second practically, 340 meter per second practically, and speed of light, speed of light, speed of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Everywhere the speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second in vacuum or with a medium. Here it needs of medium to travel, but it does not need here no need of medium, no need of medium to travel, no need of medium to travel. It is not move in vacuum, it does not travel in vacuum. It travels. It can travel in vacuum. Travel in vacuum. Okay, student. Here the velocity of speed of sound in air is 340 meter per second and the speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 3 lakh kilometer per second. Here 3 lakh kilometer per second. Speed of light in air. During the thundering time when thundering time in sky, the light we see before, after some time sound is heard, but light we see before, after some time sound is heard. This is the reason the speed of light is more than during the thundering we see light before, and after some time we heard or we hear the sound of sound after some time, because this speed is more less than this speed. Okay, student? Therefore, thundering times we see before light, and after some time we hear the sound. Okay, student? This concept is very important. You learn all. After some times, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student? Thank all of you.